Okay, start. Two vowels.
Beer.
Blending. Two vowels.
Chili.
Very good.
Bunny.
Two vowels.
Beer. Bunny beer.
Ish. Oh.
Leaves.
Leaves. Ish. In. Ah. D.
And
Then. Very good. Two vowels हैं. E. Eats. F and R. Blending. Two vowels together. U. Fruit. Very good. What he eats? Yes. Next. Fruit. Where? This is an apple tree, na? So, he is eating fruit. Okay. This one is long, so you have to read it in half. Read. Nahi. We read it O-M-E ko we read some. Okay? यहाँ मैजिक ई है तो इसको साउंड विल बी लॉन्ग आई समटाइम्स you skipped g o goes देवी नीचे वाला पढ़ना है बच्चे आपको What is this? The What is this? देवा हाँ यही What is this? ER together. E wo river. Read next. Diva, we should not read like this, bacha. You are bending too much. Okay? You should sit straight. You should not sit like this. It can cause you a backache. One vowel hai, हाँ. And for ch sound after vowel we use TCH. T is silent. The sound will be ch. Ch. Catch. This is I. And I such together. Fish.